Today we're looking at a 2023 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series. This is the 7 and the model is a 164 BHX. This is going to feature no slides, so it's going to have 2 bunks. It has your dinette, has your front bed. Coming in very easily towed, right? So it's only 2,969 pounds dry weight. Overall length is under 20 foot at 19 foot 6 inches. Excellent starter unit, for smaller vehicles, very easily towed. I tell a lot of people, this is just an awesome unit just if you're starting out or if you just want to keep the weight down for your tow vehicle. Still have plenty of sleeping spots. You've got your front bed up front where you can sleep 2 people. Your dinette goes down to a bed, and then you're also your 2 bunks. So just an awesome layout. Coachman's an awesome manufacturer. They do a great job as far as their quality and fit and finish and everything as well. Hi, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're taking a look at the Catalina Summit. The model is a 164 BHX. The one thing that's awesome about this layout is it's very easily towed. It's single axle, under 20 foot. It's coming in only at just under 3,000 pounds dry weight, so a lot of vehicles can tow it. Great starter unit for customers. As you come down, you're going to have your front storage, power awning, outside speaker. Pretty good little area for your awning space, being under 20 foot total length, including tongue. You're gonna have a leash here, so if you got pets or if you want to, tie up coolers, bikes, anything like that, you can just attach it right here to the trailer itself. And then you've got on the back, you've got backup camera prep, black tank flush, and city water connection as well. Next, we're going to come on to the inside. I'll show you all the features on the inside as well. All right, as we come in, you're gonna notice you've got your queen bed up front. You got a cabinet up above to put different luggage and everything here. It does have a little chute right here to put different items, all types of different stuff you can put right here in linens as well. And then as you come straight here, you've got your sofa, right? So your sofa will jackknife down to a bed. It's got the 2 cup holders, but can fold up. Nice compact unit, right? So you've still got quite a bit of space with no slide out. This is no slide. Under 20 foot total length. So next we're going to take a look. I'll show you the kitchen and then the bunk area and then the bathroom last. Moving directly across from your sofa, you're going to have 2 cabinets up above, 2 burner cooktop, undermount sink, high-rise faucet. You've got storage down below, microwave, does have the refrigerator as well. And then directly across from here, you're going to have 2 bunks. So you got a bunk up top, bunk down below. It does come with these nice areas where you can go ahead and pull out for your different utensils and everything like that. Lastly, we'll take a look at the bathroom. All right, as we come to the bathroom, you got your nice shower. It's like a square shower, so it's got a little bit more space there, hot and cold. As you come across, you're gonna have your toilet, foot flush, little cupboard up top. Does have a mirror in there and does have a couple outlets as well. Again, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Thank you for taking the time today. If you've got any questions at all, just give me a call. My direct phone number is 937-843-4380. I'd love to go over any questions you have. If this one doesn't work, I can help you try to find something that's different that would work for you. I've been here for 17 years. I'd love to help you out and assist your family. Again, this was a 2023 Catalina Summit 164 BHX. Any questions at all, please reach out. Appreciate you taking the time today. Thank you.